Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today, going to cover how Amazon merchants get fake reviews. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So I've been an Amazon seller for a long time. I've also been a publisher for more than 10 years on Amazon, and I've seen all kinds of scams and schemes for other companies to get fake reviews. Now, this is against Amazon's terms for sellers and publishers. You are never supposed to ask for instance, a 5-star review in return for something. But many unscrupulous sellers and publishers and other types of vendors on Amazon skirt the rules. At one time, it seemed with impunity, although recently Amazon is cracking down, as I shall shortly demonstrate. So the first sign that there was a problem with the fake reviews is, this is about 3 years ago. I received this card in a box of an electronic item that I ordered. I think it was a video camera for using on my child's computer so he could do online classes. And the inside was what looked like an Amazon gift card for $20. And I was like, oh, wow, that's great. But then I looked at the back of the card and I realized, no, this is bogus. Basically, what this particular vendor was doing is they put these supposed gift cards in the box at the factory. And then maybe they don't do it for every single box, but probably 1 out of every 10 boxes, or maybe half the boxes had these things. And then when customers like me open the box, they see this gift card. It basically asked, write a 5-star review and we'll give you a $20 gift card. You have to send it to an email address. So this particular item ginned up a lot of bogus reviews. So this is how Amazon sellers used to do that. Amazon started cracking down on this particular scheme, the outright bribes. And basically, I think what they started doing was opening up boxes at the factory to see if there's any bogus inserts inside the box. And if there was, they would penalize the seller, maybe shut them down, or maybe say you have to change your policy. So that particular scam is mostly dead, but I've seen a variation of it. This is from another Amazon seller. And this was, as you can see, it was for a phone tripod from the brand Tyrode. So this card that was included inside the box doesn't actually say anything directly about offering a bribe. In fact, it says, this is our customer service. We want to make sure everything's great. It's a 2-year warranty, etc., etc. However, if you reach out to them, if you have a problem with the product that you've received, there's 2 things about this email address, or the fact that they made the language on the card look the way it does. The first thing is, it automatically deflects the negative reviews that would inevitably show up on the product if they didn't have this card, because people will contact the company directly. The second thing is as you start typing in the email address for this item, it says free gift. So it's not, the company doesn't say we're going to promise you a free gift, but oh, what a coincidence. The email address we're using to contact us about the product deficiency, it says free gift in the email. And the message is pretty clear, to me at least. It's not against Amazon's terms to offer customer support. In fact, Amazon likes vendors to do that because it takes the burden off of their own support personnel. And also, generally, it makes for a better experience if the support is legitimate. But it is absolutely against Amazon terms of service to offer a free gift in return for any positive review, or for anything. You know, they really do not want vendors handing out free gifts because then you owe them something, whether it's a 5-star review or some other consideration. So this is apparently not illegal enough to get banned, because I just looked up this vendor on Amazon, Tyrode, and you can see they're still around. They're still selling things related to iPhone tripods. So that particular company was able to skirt the problem. And then the third way that Amazon merchants are basically getting fake reviews, how they're soliciting them. They've moved away, I think, from the fake cards and the more obvious ways of connecting with sellers to do these kind of underhanded, backhanded ways of connecting with them. And indeed, if you look on Amazon's own website, they say that they are suing the source of fake reviews with lawsuits. So they're basically going after these fake review brokers. They approach customers directly through websites, social media channels, encrypted message services, soliciting them to write fake reviews in exchange for money, free products, or other incentives. So this particular scam, it's kind of underground. You don't see it. There's special, I think they're Facebook groups or Telegram groups or other places where people can gather and basically trade offers for fake reviews. So Amazon, the fact that Amazon is saying that we're going after these fake reviews is a sign that these fake review brokers is a sign that this is still a problem, and it's really hard to crack down on actually, because you can take down one of these sites, these fake review brokers, and they'll just move someplace else. Amazon claims that they've actually proactively blocked over 200 million suspected fake reviews. Well, that's encouraging, but on the other hand, that means that there's at least 2x or 3x that number that are still making it onto the website. And I see them all the time. For instance, this is a bunch of reviews that I spotted a couple months back that are obviously fake. They use the same language, the same length. The names are obviously fake. Brooklyn Taylor, Yamilet Carter, and you can see that the first letter here is capitalized, but the last name is not. It follows the same pattern. So Amazon still has a huge problem with fake reviews, but these are basically how it's evolved over the past few years, from sticking bribes inside of boxes to actually approaching people using social media and other tools to get them to write fake reviews for money. So that's against Amazon's terms of service. Unfortunately, that's the reality of the world that we live in, and you have to be really aware if you're using Amazon to buy stuff. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz, we have a whole bunch of guidebooks related to technology and other mildly complex topics written by expert authors, so you can check it out using the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.